Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have, this is a summer Fab Fit Fun box. I believe so. I lost count. And I feel like I got a piece of hair on my lip because I decided to put lip gloss on for this video. Because I didn't do it for the last one that I had just filmed. So if you see multiple videos in the same exact dress, that is why I'm trying to get all my videos done so I can start editing and getting more content out there. So we're going to start off with this. I have one more video to film after this and I'm done. And I can't get it open and I had already looked in here. So let's just, you know me, I don't care about all that extra crap that's in there. So we're going to start off with this towel. I got a towel. I just want to open it up and see how big it is. It says Beach Riot Beach Club, established 2012. That is what it is. Do I need another beach towel? Will I use the beach towel? Yes. That's like for a kid. I mean, I would use it, but I mean, I don't know what it's covering for me, but, and it's nice and soft too. Alright, next I got Briogeo Superfoods. The hell is it? The avocado and kiwi Mega Moisture 5-in-1 leave-in spray. I have something from Briogeo I haven't used yet, but I want to smell this though. Smell. Lovely. Lovely. It smells delicious. I want to drink like that. Next, I have these Toms. They're little socks, it looks like. I don't know how many. Was it a 2-pack, 3-pack? 3-pack, maybe? I see the commercial for these, and I think they're outrageously expensively priced. So, let's take a quick look at the little patterns. Yep, it's 3-pack. 3-pack. We have these little flowery prints. They say Toms on the bottom. Next we have this green with white stripe. It's like a sage green. It's really pretty. And then we have like this. It looks like a little tie-dye thing. Kind of like a firework kind of spray there. Pink. Cute. I don't really wear sneakers or anything like that in the summer. I mean, but if I did, I would wear them. And this here is by First Aid Beauty, and it is the firming cream. I love First Aid Beauty products, and anywhere I can get another product from them, it's great. And it's just a regular jar, and I'm not opening it because I don't want to contaminate it. Next we have this little wallet change coin purse thing. Yeah, it's an ID case. So it's by Lily Pulitzer. It's not my vibe, not my colors. I mean, to be honest with you, it feels cheap. Would I use it for anything? Maybe. Who knows? I don't know. But I have a little coin purse. And last but not least, you know me, I love water bottles. And I got it in like this teal green. The hell fell out? Oh, so stupid. So it's a bag thing. And it is by Pop Sugar. It's 32 fluid ounce water bottle. And it's like those inspirational water bottles. We have, says, ready, set, hydrate. You've got this. Ready. No, it doesn't. It says, get ready to glow. Cheers, you're halfway there. Drink, 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 and sip, sip, hooray. Well done. Now repeat. Go ahead. You can do it. So, this is really cute. I like it. It's Pop Sugar. You just close that lock it, do this, pop it up. Whoop. You got a little straw right there. But then again, that gets in your way. But whatever. But I've been enjoying my Stanley cups because they actually keep my waters cold. But this is actually really thick. Really thick material. I love the color. And I don't know. I'm not really being wowed by too many things in the Fab Fit Fun boxes lately, except for like certain things that I'm picking. Like, I mean, I picked the Briogeo, this, and this. Like, these are the things that I picked. The other 3 I didn't pick. Or maybe I picked the towel because there really wasn't much to pick from. But I'm going to use the stuff because I have it in my possession. But I think it could be better. But what are you going to do? So here's to the next one, hoping it's even better than this one. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.